Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be welding the 1JZ oil pan. So stick around and you might learn something. Here's my oil pan off the 1JZ and the extent of the damage. So here's the crack. This is from the JDM supplier. There's a dent over here, a little dent. Things happen. It's shipped. I know this is the fresh side. So there's the, let's focus. There's the crack right there. So I'm gonna beat this out with a body hammer in this dent and weld it. I already cleaned it up. It was really greasy. And then I'll clean it again really good, paint it, and put this back on the engine because I don't like the bottom end exposed right now. It's fine for now, but long term I don't want any dust and particulates in the bottom end. So I need to knock this out today. I hammered it out. So you can see it's like a crack this way and then a little bit that way, like a T. So I just need to sand it. And then this one wasn't cracked, it just had a dent and I got that out. I'm gonna TIG weld from the inside. This should be good. Okay, so I cleaned the whole area as best I could. I was using that pick to get out any of the paint that was inside and the residue from baked oil over the time of this engine's age. I cleaned this up just to see if there was any pinholes. So here's the crack. It kind of makes a curve too. That is a crack right there where it's got a curve. This gouge right here, I'm probably going to weld in some more metal right there to thicken that up so it doesn't create a crack over time. It should be good. Yeah, this side's fine. So that's where we're at with that. I'm not the best welder, but should be pretty good. It's still pretty hot. And I just went back and forth to kind of blend in some of the filler I added. I think this is 3/16. I could go over this right here a little better, but and I might. You can see the heat. There's good penetration. I'm gonna flip this over. Oh yeah, that's good. Might do a cleanup pass on the inside. Not bad. I don't really ever TIG weld. Oil pan is done. I hit it with Herculiner, which is like a bed liner. Should give it an extra strength to like keep from getting chipped. It turned out all right. I shouldn't have went over it that one time. It was good enough, and then it melted a hole, so I had to build it up, but it's good. And then I sanded the inside of the pan to get off any BBs, because if any BBs from welding like let loose inside the engine, if this magnetic drain plug don't pick it up, it could be catastrophic. So I made sure it's nice and clean. I'll take it back off. I just got to go to work. I just threw it on for now, but with the 2 nuts. I'm gonna take it back off, clean the pan really well, because I still have to get the gasket material off and reseal this, and should be good to go. But appreciate it. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe.